डियर व्यूवर्स एंड लर्नर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। हम पढ़ रहे थे 8th का इंग्लिश। सवाल हमने इसके किए थे 8, तो आज हमें इसका 9वां सवाल करना है। 9th क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट रोल डू द साइंटिस्ट प्ले इन द J&K to deal with the problem of the global warming? Its answer is in J&K, the Energy and Resources Institute (TRI) has selected the Kolhai Glacier as index glacier for assessing the water resources availability to the communities in the valley. With its help, the scientists will conduct studies on the glacier, which will last for 5 years. After this period, TRI will recommend measures to bring down the glacier's recession rate. Now let's move towards the question number 10. Question number 10 is what do we all individuals need to do to deal with the problem of the global warming? Its answer is as individuals we must make efforts to minimize the air pollution which results in the emission of the greenhouse gases. These gases are one of the major causes of global warming. We should encourage afforestation because trees do a lot to purify air. Now let us move towards the grammar section of this exercise. Language work. Look at the following sentences. The hunter killed a red bird. He saw a beautiful red bird in the forest. In the sentence first above the underlined word, red bird is a compound which is the name of a bird, while in the sentence 2 the underlined word, that is red and bird, is a phrase which means a bird whose color is red. A compound combines two or sometimes more different words. Compound can be written either as one word or as separate words. Now fill the blanks in the following sentence with appropriate compound words or phrases from the box below. White house, white house. Greenhouse, greenhouse. Black box, stronghold, stronghold. White collar, white collar. Part A, we live in a beautiful greenhouse. B part, my uncle has built a greenhouse next to his house where he grows vegetables in the winter. Sentence second, a part, most PhDs only prefer white collar jobs. B part, he was wearing a pink shirt with a white collar. Third sentence, a part, we live in the White House near the mosque. B, the president of America lives in the White House. Now fourth sentence, a part, my wife keeps her jewelry in a black box. B part, the black box has been found. It will now be possible to find out why the plane crashed. Fifth sentence, a part, he has a strong hold on his wife. B part, the southern parts of the state is a stronghold on the robberies.